In today's video, I will teach you how to create a wax seal in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP, then go to File, then New, or simply press Ctrl-N, and then set the dimensions to 640 by 480 pixels. Now set the foreground color to a medium gray. Then go to the Layers panel and click the Create New Layer button and set the Fill With option to Transparency, and you can also name the new layer before clicking OK. Now select the Brush tool, then choose a soft 19 pixels brush and scale it. Then paint an irregular wax shape, and it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Now we're going to refine the wax shape. To do this, go to Colors, then Curves. Then set the channel to Alpha, then move the points to the center to get rid of the semi-transparent parts. This will solidify the wax drop shape. Now, right-click on the wax layer in the Layers panel and choose Alpha to Selection. Then click the eye icon next to the wax layer to make it temporarily invisible. Then open the Channels dialog by going to Windows, Dockable Dialogs, then Channels. Then click the Initialize from Selection and name the channel Depth. Now deselect by going to Select, then None. With the depth channel active, go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Then apply blurs with the following settings: 9, 6, 3, and 1. This creates smooth gradients representing the wax depth. And to add an internal depth, switch back to the Layers dialog and select the wax layer. And right-click and choose Alpha to Selection. Then switch back to the Layers dialog and activate the Depth channel. Then go to Select, then Shrink, and set it to 15 pixels. Then go to Select, then Feather, and set it to 25 pixels. Now change the background color to this color. Then go to Edit, then Fill with background color. And to deselect, go to Select, then None. Then choose the Ellipse Select tool. Then draw a circle within the wax shape on the depth channel. Then press D to reset colors to black and white. Then fill the selection with black, which will actually be gray due to channel transparency. Then go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and set the radius to 4 pixels. Now click the eye icon next to the depth channel. Now return to the Layers dialog and make the wax layer visible. Now go to Filters, Light and Shadow, then Lighting Effects. Then adjust the blue dot in the preview to position the light source at the top left of the wax area. And in the Bump Map tab, choose the depth channel and set the maximum height to 0.05. And now we're going to add the seal emblem. Download an emblem or seal image. Then open the image and resize it to 75 by 70 pixels. Now move the emblem to the desired location in the wax. Then go to Colors, then Curves, and adjust the curves to convert the emblem to grayscale. Then go to Layer, Layer to Image Size, then click the eye icon to hide the emblem layer. Now we're going to apply a bump map for the emblem. To do this, go to Filters, Map, then Bump Map. Then select the emblem layer from the drop-down menu and adjust the settings to get the desired engraving effect. And make sure to enable preview to see the effect in real time. Now we're going to colorize the wax. Start by going to Colors, then Color Balance. Then use the following settings for a rich red wax color. Optionally, you can use the brightness and contrast or curves to darken and add depth to the wax. And there you have it. You now have a realistic wax seal in GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.